Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel. Here is Rema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. Thank you for clicking on this video. To my returning subscribers, guys, you are well appreciated. Thank you for always coming around to support this channel. I really admire the support, the likes, the comments, and the sharing of my videos. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And I want to say you are warmly welcome. Guys, in today's video, I'm going for unboxing and a product review of this Philips slow juicer. I'm a lover of slow juicer because it doesn't take much nutrient out of my fruits and veggies, okay? And that is my reason. So I don't like to rush things. Alright, so it came with a manual book, of course, which is going to direct us on how to use the product and also the warnings, so which is also very important, what to do and what not, okay? So it becomes very important that you take your time to read every manual book that comes with the product so as to not to spoil your products or get disappointed through your own mistakes. So this came fixed, and with this extra large filling opening, it's just with a less effort that you can manage or use this machine. So it's easy to open, and it has key signs that shows you what to do or not. So that makes everything so easy and stress-free. So it's fixed, and this is my masticator. I'm going to show it to you guys later in the video. So this have sign arrows as well, or key arrows, key signs. That makes it very easy. So there's this black thing here you need to press to make it easy for you to fix. After that, then you know your machine is strong and you are good to go. So this is my my pop container, if I should say, and it looks cute and beautiful if you ask me, but one disadvantage is, what if you are juicing more fruits and veggies, then you have to replace it with something bigger, okay? So this is my juicing container, and it also looks cute. I love it. It's beautiful. It's really brighten up the kitchen, if you ask me. So it's just something like this, and it also came with a pestle, which is very helpful, okay? It's going to be helpful. So they say in the manual book that this helps, this machine preserves the natural cell structure of the ingredients by cold pressing, okay? And it says that the MicroMasticating technology extracts up to 80% of nutrients, which is a perfect one, if you ask me. It's great. It's not that bad, or it's not bad. It's cool for the strength of the machine and everything. So it's also easy to remove, okay? And it's dishwasher friendly. So I like this part that they have really written it out for you, that it's suitable for juicy ingredients, but also nuts, something like almond, nuts, and it's also great for leafy greens. So guys, now you know what it's really meant for, right? So you don't have to use it for any other thing that it's not supposed to be used for. So this is easy to remove, like I said, and like you have seen me. Then this is Philips. So this is the masticator. It's very simple and has, a big holes within them. So let's see what it's going to be like when we use it to juice, right? And it also has a filter in it, which I'm going to show you later on in the video. So I'm going to wash this for about 5 minutes. I'm going to on the machine since it's a new one. I'm just going to try it this way and wash it that way as well. So if you're still watching me and you are not you have not subscribed already, click on that subscribe button. Kindly do that, guys. Don't forget, if you enjoy what I'm doing, if you like my videos, you are free to watch any other video on this channel. I'll be glad to have you here as part of this wonderful family. Do leave a comment for me in the comment section. I will be glad you came. Thank you. So to begin, I'm going to use 2 apples, okay, so that we know how this works. So I actually wanted to juice 3 apples, but the third one was so big, and so I want to say that if you have this machine at home already, or if you're planning to get it, you don't have to overstress the machine, okay? You have to be kind and nice, use it for what the strength is meant for, okay? So this is my pulp. I got a lot of pulp over here. It's not too bad like that, but I have a lot of juice in it, okay? It's very moist. I have a lot of liquids in it, but like I said, it's not that bad. And you can see some apple peel over here. So I'm going to open and check how the quantity of juice I got from 2 apples. So on checking, I realized I have about 200 ml of juice for my 2 apples, okay? That's normal size apples. And some other juices can give us about 250 ml. Like my Bosch slow juicer can do that, or even 300. I don't know, not just say 250 thereabouts. So I've also again added 3 normal sizes of oranges, and I'm getting a lot of pulp, and I'm going to show it to you, okay? When you are trying to get a new juicer or a product, this is very important if you are somebody who don't want to waste a lot of juice and veggies. Now everything is expensive, so you have to get what you want at a point and make sure that you are doing the right thing. So then you wouldn't want to waste any juice or veggies anyway by getting a lot of pulp. So you can see my pulp is very wet, but not too bad, like I said, okay? It's not too bad, it's okay. And you want to be sure that you are going to lose a lot of juice, okay, if you're using this. Not too much, but you lose some juice, okay? So at this point, I have about 400 ml of juice after adding 3 oranges. And what I realized was that the juice wasn't coming out anymore, and I must find a way, right? So you can see it's open and I'm not getting my juice. So what I did was to just take this out, and then from the filling or from the opening of my filling, I just have to get my juice through that. And from that side, I got a lot of a little, not too much, just some small pulp entered into my juice, and I'm cool. I'm not going to strain it or anything. It's not that bad. So yeah. So checking from this point, this is how it works after juicing. It doesn't have too much pulp in it. Everything is out. So I'm adding about 3 carrots to this, and I'm going to see what I'm going to get. One way or the other, my opening was open. Opener was open, yeah. And I got about 1 TSP of the juice already in. But if you ask me, I got nothing absolutely from this carrots. I got nothing, I got absolutely nothing. So this is what I got, and this really looks like grated carrots for salad, if you ask me. So what I did was to juice it once again with my Bosch juicer. I'm going to tell you about that to bring you an update on that juicer. And yeah, so I try to wash this, try this procedure if it's going to work, in case you are using this and you don't have time to wash it from the go, and you just want to do other things before you wash it. So something like a first aid. Aside that, this is so easy to wash and you don't even have to stress. Okay, you can just drop it in the dishwasher and that's that, or you can just rinse with some water and there you go. So after this, you can see that the filter is not washed, the masticator is not washed, and you can do it this way. So you just get it dropped in the dishwasher and you rest your head. So yeah, it's not 100% washed, but you can see some foaming all over there, and so it's easy to assemble, it's easy to fix, it's easy to, everything about it is easy. All right, so guys, at this point I hope this video helped, and I wish you all the best of luck. That if you decide to go for it, congratulations. If you decide not, the decision is in your hands. So thank you very much for watching. Until I come your way again next time, see you in my next video. It's bye.